let's do an unboxing of this Fifine USB microphone. Hey everyone, how's it going? It's Jewel Tolentino here from Essetino Media, and on this channel, we show you how to create profitable content. All right, so I just got this new Fifine microphone, and we have actually been using the Fifine brand of microphones for 5+ years now. And this is one of their latest models, so let's do the unboxing. The one thing I love about these microphones is they are plug and play, which means you literally just plug it in with a USB and it's good to go. So we've got our standard instructional guide here, which honestly you don't really need. And then we've got the microphone. So it's super basic, really simple. First thing is the charging cord here. Let's check out the length on this thing. So this thing's pretty long. You've got some good length on here. Typically this isn't going to be that far away from my laptop anyways, so I probably will be wrapping this up. Next, we've got the mini tripod legs for the microphone. And the reason why I personally get these USB microphones with this kind of a tripod leg is because it's so minimalist, it's so small, and it's foldable. So I like to travel a lot, and we like to bring a USB microphone with our laptop because we're gonna be doing Zoom meetings, coaching calls, YouTube videos, and so when it's compact like this, it makes it really easy to travel with. I once tried to travel with the Blue Yeti microphone, and that thing was huge, really heavy, and I was so paranoid of it breaking because of how heavy it was. So that's why I stick to these. This is the tripod legs, very easy. And next we have the actual microphone unit. So we do have a pop filter up at the front there, and the actual microphone is here. You'll see in the next clip that this actually lights up. So very easy installation. You take the microphone, you take the tripod legs, and you just screw this on at the bottom, just like that. And at the back of the microphone, you're gonna take your cord and just plug it in just like this. You hear the click there. And then this part right here goes into your laptop, and this is a regular USB. Two things to note is there is this mute button here up at the top, which I will show you in the next clip, and you've got a volume knob as well. Both are really super simple to use, and this microphone is as basic as it gets. So check out the next clip where I've got this all plugged in and you can hear some audio samples. So you can see that as we're talking, the color is changing, and that's actually how you know that it's on, because if I tap on it on the top, it's going to turn off, which it has a mute button there. So that technically can be a mute button. You don't need to unplug it, and when you tap it again, it turns back on. It is a USB plug-in, so it's literally just a plug and play. You just plug it in, set it to the correct microphone, and then you're good to go. This one does have an extra volume knob over here, so you just need to tweak it. Right now I have it set to, you can see there's a line right there. I have it set to not all the way up at the top. This would all be all the way at the top, and this is all the way down at the bottom. But I played around with it, and about here, which is where it starts to get, you know, the volume starts to get thick there. Here is where I found it works well with my Zoom calls, with my how-to tutorial videos. It's also got this pop filter here as well. So let me do some test audio samples here for you guys. Test, test. This is a test with the Fifine AV6 gaming microphone. How does this sound? So that was the Fifine microphone. Like I said, really easy, really super simple to use, amazing quality for the price. If you guys want to check out this microphone, head down to the description below. I will have the Amazon links for you. Like I mentioned, we've been using the Fifine microphone brand for 5+ years now, and we often get comments on our YouTube videos of people asking us which microphone we're using. For the longest time, it's been the Fifine brand. So if you want to check this out, head down to the description below. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.